This is the Naval Briefing Room. Here, the story of sea power is told from the deck plates up. We look at aircraft carriers, destroyers, submarines, amphibious ships, logistics vessels, unmanned systems, and the people who keep them moving when the ocean gives no easy margin for error. Every episode asks a simple question. What does the ship, mission, or technology actually change at sea? Not in slogans, and not in fantasy, but in the practical world of fuel, sensors, distance, maintenance, weather, training, command, and risk. One week, we may step onto a flight deck and follow the tight rhythm of launch and recovery, where seconds matter and every hand signal has a purpose. Another week, we may look below the surface, where submarines turn silence into strategy and geography into pressure. We cover the old lessons as well as the new ones. Convoys, carrier battles, naval aviation, shipyards, radar, missiles, mines, replenishment at sea, electronic warfare, drone swarms, and the long chain of logistics that decides whether a fleet can stay in the fight. The Naval Briefing Room is not about hype. It is about understanding. A warship is not just steel and weapons. It is a floating system of crews, doctrine, fuel, maintenance, intelligence, and decisions made under stress. A carrier strike group is not just a symbol. It is a moving network of aircraft escorts, supply ships, communications, and command choices. Modern naval power is changing fast. Uncrewed vessels are being tested. Missiles reach farther. Satellites watch wider. Air defenses are layered. Submarines remain hard to find. And the basic problem has not changed. The sea is vast, unforgiving, and expensive to control. We also look at the quieter work that rarely makes headlines. Crews train, engineers repair, supply ships refuel. Intelligence teams watch patterns, and planners measure distance in days as much as miles. At sea, small details compound. A delayed part, a missed contact, a fuel calculation, or a weather window can change the shape of an entire operation. That is why this channel slows the subject down. We take complex naval topics and break them into calm, clear briefings. What is the mission? What are the trade-offs? What can the system do? What are its limits? And what would a commander actually have to consider before using it? You will find stories from history, explanations of current naval technology, breakdowns of fleet operations, and careful looks at the machines that shape maritime strategy. We use plain language, steady pacing, and visual context so the briefing is useful whether you are new to the subject or already follow naval affairs closely. The goal is not to make every platform look invincible. The goal is to see the whole picture. Range